Hi, my name is Gaurav Mishra. I am recently graduated with Electronics and Telecommunication stream in Shree Tiwari College of Engineering, and I joined QSpiders at 2 December during my college and opted course Java Full Stack Development. And first I have to learn SQL basics, and the trainer was very wonderful at teaching, and they actually cleared my all topics and basics about SQL. And after that I understand about web technology, where Suman sir is used to take all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React batch, which helped me to understand about what are the core concept of front end and how it actually applied on the project, and which is really helpful to understand about the relay projects which is actually there in the web, and also understand to create my own project, which actually helped me to deep understanding about the front end as well as back end. And after that I joined the core Java batch, which is very helpful and understand my theoretical knowledge, which is actually helped me to most of the interview to clear my interview, and even the interview I cracked job, which is they are going to ask the core Java concept, and I am very strong at that and very easy to understand this topic.